The following is an excerpt from the SaxTuition Beginner Series. If you want to pick up the entire course for yourself, just follow the link in the description down below. Enjoy!
So there's one more technique we need to look at before we attempt the start of the can-can, and it's called staccato. Now, staccato is a form of articulation, and it can be summarized in one word: detached. So to give you a little demonstration, I'm going to play a series of Bs. The first time through, I'm going to play them tongue normally, and the second time, I'll play them staccato. So what do you have to do to achieve that separation? Well, the trick is to think about a really light tonguing stroke. Imagine the syllable to, but instead of really digging into the T sound, the ta sound, try and make that as light as possible. To. Think about trying to keep the tongue high and wide in the mouth and only using the tip of your tongue if possible. Now, one huge mistake a lot of students make is to force the tongue back onto the reed too early. So you get a real tut sound. So if you cut off the note too early, you can really choke it before it can actually resonate. And you want to remember that staccato means detached. And although it implies a short length, it's still important that the note has a little bit of body about it. So when you go to play the can-can this week, have a really close listen to the play-along track and take note of how those staccato notes are played.